Okay. C-Mac back.
C-Mac back.
Let's see what's see who we can get to join here on this Columbus Day. Here with my buddy Sean Hoppy Hopkins. All right, we got some folks joining on. So, as you saw before, we fired up the 120, and we're doing a little Brazilian cook outside. So let me show you what we got going on. So we've got the picanha, 3 picanha steaks on the rotisserie, and they are spinning nicely. So we actually started these guys. I know they're up high right now. We started them on the low setting, and they were cooking real fast. So we put them back up. We'll let these go for a little while longer, and then we'll probably put them down low to finish. As you can see, it's a little windy out here by Oogie Boogie there in the background.
A couple knots.
There's a couple knots of wind coming through.
You know, it's pretty interesting to feel like the heat radius, like the different temperatures, which, I mean, it's going to be different than when it's directly over it on the spit.
Yeah, I mean, it definitely puts out some heat, but it's also, again, pretty windy, so it's blowing. I hope to take the
What's the wood?
So we just got some seasoned hardwood. Sean, you want to get that going there, just like we did before?
Yeah.
So it's got some seasoned hardwood. So I've got it on a little bit of an angle, just because the ground here was a little off center, and what's happening is, thank you, the spit kind of was sliding a little bit. I'll have to, if we do that other picanha, we'll have to kind of reset that, but we're looking pretty good.
Oh, look at the holes in the fire base grate, whatever.
Yeah, that's where the oxygen comes from. So, you guys
so
can
is there
see.
airflow from underneath then?
Yep, absolutely. On all the Arteflames, there's airflow from underneath.
You know what? It slides when this.
Yeah, you can actually loosen that up a little bit so it doesn't. There you go. Big Paul, what's going on? I enjoyed your stuff over the weekend. Thank you. We've been wanting to do picanha for a while. Just got the rotisserie, so needed to break it in. We've got some caipirinhas. We got the wives over here. They don't want to be on camera, so I won't put them on camera. Captain Ron, what's going on, buddy? So anybody else, do you have any questions? Anybody cooking something good tonight? Again, we're doing a whole Brazilian themed cook. We got the picanhas. We got some vegetarian feijoada cooking inside. So, you know, it's always a good night when there's a captain sighting. What else do we have? We've got some Brazilian, almost like some chimichurri, but Brazilian style salsa vinaigrette that we use on the side. Captain, I know. Hey, I keep on moving, and somehow Hoppy keeps on figuring out where I move to. So,
What are you doing? Captain
Ron's talking smack.
Let's go skiing.
So I did see Captain Ron. He sent me some videos of his nicely seasoned 130 with some bacon on it last night. Captain Ron, are you gonna? I don't know if anything else went on that. Paul, good question. So just two D batteries in there, and this is my first cook on it. But from what I hear, they last quite a while. So we'll see. It's also got the little little power. You know, if you're somewhere and you're close to power, it's got that. But from folks that I've talked to and from Arteflame, you can get some good time on out of the batteries. So we'll see.
I'm gonna need to refresh this.
Refresh your caipirinha.
Yeah. What is it?
So it's a Brazilian sugarcane liqueur called cachaça, which is kind of almost like a Brazilian rum.
Like Kashaka Khan?
Cachaça Khan.
Let me right there.
And it's got muddled lime, and this one honey. Although usually simple syrup probably works a little bit better because the honey gets really cold and thick. But that's it, and that is the natural pairing to a picanha, because that's what you drink a lot of in Brazil.
And you would know, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I lived there for 9 months. Great country, great people, great food and culture, and caipirinhas are pretty darn good too. So that's what we got. We've got the Arteflame fired up, and our picanhas are looking pretty good. I may move them down a little bit again just to keep on rendering the fat cap, get a nice crust on the outside. Those guys are going to be dark. Bacon for the seasoning finish, Ron. Nice job. So listen, hopefully everybody is having a good day, good Monday.
Right?
And Hugo from Colombia. So we will. We're going to let these go. Again, we're probably going to move them down now that the fire's kind of gotten down a little bit, and we'll. Hold on. Let's here. We might be in for some trouble.
Trouble.
Could be trouble. Let's see. Oh, Captain Ron, what's going on? Oh no, yes, he's got the. Yeah, that's why he jumped on.
What do you mean?
He jumped on to torture me because I'm a 49ers fan.
Yeah, what's with that shirt?
And Ron,
that's not nice.
Yeah, Ron is in his happy place. So there's Ron's 130. He's got the beautiful the black enamel, which is
it's awesome.
Yeah, which is hopefully going to hit the website in November, but we'll see. I know they're working on. Listen, Arteflame has got very, very high quality standards. I mean, these things are built to last.
Yeah, man, this thing is a rock.
Yeah, and the enamel coating is not easy to not easy and not cheap to really get dialed in.
Yeah,
but they're working on the process. But I'll tell you, and as much as I love the natural patina, that black is pretty darn cool too.
Yeah, I like the natural. You know what? I haven't seen one that I don't like. I can tell you that.
Yeah, true.
They're really cool. Very cool. That's
Big
really...
Paul says I need to get you a Niners jersey. With all the money I lost on the game, I might not have any left. So.
Oh, Paul, you hurt my feelings, buddy. Hey, you know what we should do is we should send each other a jersey, then have a bet. Whoever. Do we play again this year?
You know what? I'm not sure. After that game, I hope not. I don't know if I can take 2 losing games to no offense, but not a good team.
Yeah, I hear you. I know what you're saying. I you know what? I was so thankful Garoppolo was off yesterday. He was just off his game.
Yep.
So
listen, I gotta end this now. We're gonna drop those picanhas down a little bit, and maybe put another log on the fire to get those finished off. Ron, you gonna fire up your Arteflame this evening, or you guys got rain there?
It's getting ready to thunderstorm here again.
Is
Florida
it?
in the summer.
Yep, that's Florida.
Yeah, well, it's the middle of October. It was over 100 degrees again today. Insane.
Wow.
Insane.
Wow.
I'm itching to use this thing, man. I'm just itching to use it. But every afternoon, it's just pouring rain.
Yep. Well, that's all right. We'll We'll get you. We just may have to move it inside, you know, for your first cook or something.
I have thought about it. I'll be honest with you. The picanha looks awesome, man. You guys are doing a great job. Say hi to Sean for me, all right?
Thanks, brother. Appreciate you joining. And listen, guys, everybody else, appreciate you joining. We'll go live probably one more time when we kind of finish these picanhas. And again, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you in a bit.